Hey, what's going on guys? In this video we are going to see a program that will copy array elements and print it in reverse order. Now let's go ahead and start with some declaration of variables. In this one I'm going to introduce some integer type of variable. Also I'm going to declare some arrays also. Declare array1 and let's put 5 variables. So five elements mean we can put 5 numbers inside of this array. We can store 5 numbers. And also I'm declaring another array to print it in reverse order, arr2 and this also 5 elements. And also I'm going to declare some integer type of variable I and j. Okay, now first I'm giving a printf statement. In this printf statement we are going to give a prompt to the user to enter 5 array elements. Enter 5 array elements. Now the user is going to enter 5 array elements. To get the input from the user, since the elements are 5, we have to use a for loop because it has to run 5 times. So for I initialize this one with 0, I is equal to 0, and since it has run 5 times, we have to set a condition I is less than or equal to 4, because if we start from 0, 4 mean we have 5 values. Okay, then we have to do the increment by 1, I++, and after that we are going to use a scanf statement to get the input from the user. Scanf, since the user is going to put integer type of variable, we put a %d, and whatever the value the user enter is going to be stored in array1. So we put ampersand array1 I. Okay, so this is our scanf statement. Now the next thing is now we are going to copy the array. In order to do that, again we are going to use a for loop, but we want to copy in a reverse order. So we have to do something. I copy this for loop. We have to make some adjustment to do this in reverse order. In reverse order, to print this in reverse order, what we do is we initialize j with 4. So the 4th number will be the first number, and then we have to do the decrement. If we do the decrement, what's going to happen is we will get like 4, 3, 2, like it's going to go in a decrease in reverse order, like 4, 3, 2, 1, something like that. Okay, and that's it for this for loop. And after that we equate array2 to array1 so here the values will be interchanged. Okay, array2 j is equal to array1 I. Okay, now we have interchanged the values. Now we have to print out after interchanging, so I give a printf statement. In this printf statement we are going to display after interchanging, and that's it for this one. And again we are going to use a for loop to print out the variables, print out the elements. Okay, here I give another printf statement. In this printf statement I put %d because all of them are integer type of variable, \n, so it will print in new lines, and then array2 I. Okay, now that's it. Now it should work properly. Let's go ahead and run this one. Enter 5 array elements. Let's enter 5 random numbers: 12, 34, 56, 78, 89. Now you can see it printed out in a reverse order. 89 is first, 78 is second, 56 is third, and so on, right? That's how we copy array elements and print it in, display it in reverse order. I hope this helps. Thanks for watching, and if you are trying to access these codes, it's in my blogger. I put the link of my blogger in the description, so you can go ahead and access them. And also, if you are trying to learn C or C++ programming, there are a bunch of videos in my playlist. I hope you guys watch that too. And don't forget to subscribe. See you next time.